Hello, all the musician. Uh, Hello and hi. Uh, Sometimes, because of the people not knowing how to speak in English, the word of is teaching, the word of the polyclips in Tagalog, pagkasabi. From my own sitting or standing, the word of the teaching, guiding. Mas good in the Faith Healer Testament, if you if your student is not knowing how to speak in English, mas good if you are the Faith Healer. You must guiding to understand the word. The word of curing. That's the reason when I starting my vlogging, video recording. Oh, about people, reflection. Eh, my mouth speaking is reflecting to the nonsense people, not knowing to do the good to the people. But when the good people is reflecting to me, all is good. The word of the left and right, I, tuning, thinking. This is for the band, for the band. Because the original testament of the band, all the material living things is built into the body to give the stronger and no tiredness. My study, the drum set is determining the body. No, the bass guitar is the determining of the body, but the electric guitar is determining of the thinking. But the drum set is determining the heart. But the mic is determining of the head. Universe giving birth while using the word of the instrument. Full punishment to the body in up the original time. New life, evolution from the 10 months process. When you are giving birth after the band, you did not growing old. You always a young age. And no sicknesses. Always stronger. Always upping. Because the weaknesses, not the thinking. The lower body is the weaknesses and tiredness and sicknesses. But the thinking, upping ay equal. Balance to the body is the stronger. The band, that is the meaning of the Islam. Because the past, I study any religion. In the school is discussing not the title of the religion is important. The important how to understand the meaning of the word, how to understand about the family member, how to understand the good and the bad. Who is the bad? At the two pair, boy and girl. Who is the bad? Who giving the sicknesses to the girl? Boy. And then, who is giving the child? Who is suffering? The girl. Now, who is giving the punishment? To the girl. Boy. And the child. There's a reason who is full sicknesses, full have a sicknesses to the body, girl. The creation, the carrying, the giving birth, the word of giving freedom, that is full sicknesses, that is the word of the secret knowledge and power, dying. There's a reason, the only one testament of the original testament of the music, thinking, equal eye. The upping from the top of the head is the body present. And then, the shield is the heart beating. From the thinking, separating the one person of the thinking, separating the three person, because the top of the head is the space, the eye equal, and the space, where is the eye at the space? The determining is the body present. Now, completely the body. Now, where is the thinking? If you top of the head, the top of the head is space, have a space, and the missing pieces is the body. Now, where you are standing or sitting? This universe. Now, determining the universe about the thinking, sustaining. Now, what is the determining of the left and right eye? The mother and father equal. Just the reason the universe is the word of the heaven, not because of the understanding, but the people no understanding, that is the word of the heaven. That is the word of understanding for the body. Because judging, correctioning, teaching, give the piece how to correctioning the word. The same at the physical body process. And then singing about true from your own thinking, the same at the newly reborn. That is the word of the day. It's okay. So, for the child, judging. Welcome to my judging teaching. Teacher. Welcome to my judging teacher singer. The teacher. Who is the teacher? The line of the teacher. Who is the singer? The line of the teacher. Who is the judging? The line of the audience. Watching. In hearing. And understanding. No nonsense word. The childhood is most good based from the childhood playing.